Hello, today I will show you how to make money by opening Gmail. First, we enter Google, type PlayerUp to search. We enter the first site. PlayerUp Clash of Clans, Instagram, YouTube and other accounts we can sell our site. First we register on the site. You can register with Facebook, Google, Steam or Gmail. After we register, we go to the bottom. We entering all other games, marketplaces. We select the letter G. And we select Gmail. You can sell Gmail usernames, but we will sell Gmail accounts. And look, it sells for $4 and there are buyers. See, $3.66 people bought it. 50 Gmail, $17, 440 bought. You can withdraw the money from your Payeer account. Write and save account information. This is our video today. For new videos, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.